Materials needed: sheet of paper, pencil, rubber, pencil sharpener, some objects to trace. That could be a toy, or it could be a spoon or a flower, something lying around the house. On this particular day there was some lovely light coming through the window, so I took full advantage of that and used that to trace my objects. Equally, if you prefer to work outside and it's not too hot, then please do, but make sure that you've got a decent stream of sunlight which allows you to cast a good shadow onto the paper that you're working with. Here is an example of the e-learning lessons book for Grade 4 Art. On the first page, you'll just need to write a title, E-Learning Art, any style, any design you like, as long as it's in the middle and easy to see. Now, for your first lesson, you'll need to write the date, the title, and what number lesson it is. So for example, today is lesson 1. The title is Sunlight Outline Trace Drawing, and the task needs to be written here. How to trace an object using shadows cast from sunlight. Now, what I would like you students to do is to stick in the middle of your page your outline drawings of the objects that you traced. Take a glue stick, and I don't just want dabs, I want you to make sure that you take another piece of paper and then you put your glue around the outside so that it sticks nice and neatly down. So I usually do along all 4 sides and then across in the middle. Stick that in the center. And then again, I use a scrap piece of paper so that we don't get the table messy or the sketchbook messy. Because once you start gluing directly over your sketchbook or on your mum's or dad's table, things can start getting messy very quickly. So we always use a scrap piece of paper to keep our work nice and neat. There you have it, nicely stuck down. Here you will write your comments about your work. So WWW stands for what worked well. So perhaps what worked well is the outline of your shape is really clear. And then you've got EBI, stands for even better if. So perhaps you could say, even better if I changed the frog to a different object. Maybe the frog was too difficult to draw. Maybe I could trace a spoon, or I could trace a flower or a leaf. So you think about it and write your comments at the bottom about how you found the activity. Was it easy? Was it difficult? What did you enjoy? And that's it for lesson 1, guys. That is how to present your work nicely and neat on 2 pages at the front of your sketchbook. The front of your sketchbook is here, so you'll have the title page, e-learning art, and then your lesson 1 is on these 2 pages. Okay?